Hey guys, this is Chad at Round 2. We're back with another video. So it's December, it's Christmas month. We still got a lot of new stuff rolling in. So for you guys this month, we've got 2 new releases for Johnny Lightning 164th. We've got 4 cars for Auto World 118, including 2 new trailers in 118 scale for Auto World that we haven't shown you guys before. And we also have 5 new model kits, some being sci-fi and car related as well, so we'll jump right into it. We'll start with Johnny Lightning 164th. Alright, so first off for 164th, we've got our latest release of Hot Rod Power Tour cars. So for you guys who've been following the videos or know our product lines, these are all cars where we personally go out to Hot Rod Power Tour. We talk to the people showing their vehicles there, and we replicate their vehicles in 164 scale. So these are all based on actual cars at the show. First off, this is actually a pretty famous car. This is Larry Dixon's 1966 Chevy Nova SS here in white. It's for version A. Version B, we like to do our own take on it and do a color swap. So here's the teal version for that. And then next in the release, we've got this 1972 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus. It's a version A from the show in this gorgeous looking black color with the white top on it, and version B in red with the white top, white interior as well. And third in the release, this is a cool one, the 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra II. So this is the white and red one that was based on the actual car at the show. Super cool car, really unique. And there's a black and red variation for the version B. Next up for the show, this is the 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28. So here's the black with the black wheels and that chrome lip on it. And version B is red here. Got that black roof, black wheels, chrome lip on that as well. And then fifth in the release here, this is the 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. So it's this great looking silverish blue color here, and it's a brighter blue version here for version B. A black vinyl top on it. And lastly, this is the 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. So this is orange with the black hood, a black stripe along the back. It's got the custom wheels, same as the car that was at the show, and our variation is silver, the black accents. So, and on top of the Hot Rod Power Tour release, we do have a new release of Street Freaks coming out. So first off to that, we'll jump in. This is our Zinger. This is the 1966 Pontiac GTO, the Swashbuckler. Version A here is in red with that white top, white interior, chrome wheels, red line tires. Version B, this great looking metallic green color, that white interior, white top. Next up in the release, this is the next for our Black with Flames series. This is the 1951 Hudson Hornet. It just looks awesome with flames on it. Black with those yellow flames, that version A, and version B, black with these great looking metallic silver flames. And then following up with that, number 3 in the release, this is from our Blacked Out series, the 1959 Chevy El Camino. So this one is black. It's got a little bit of dark gunmetal gray on the side of it, black wheels. And the other version here, all gloss black with gunmetal wheels. And it's got that wood paneling in the bed, tan interior. Next up, this is from our Project in Progress series, so this one's been really popular. This is the 1951 Volkswagen split window Beetle. So that's that super cool Project in Progress look, dirty, mismatched, got rust on it. First version there in that teal, and version B here in red. That blue hood, primer brown bumpers. And then next up, these are in our Surf Rod release. This is the 1950 Chevy Suburban, the Freaky Tiki Surf Shop car. So there it is in yellow with that blue top. Got the Surf Rod surfboards on top of it. And here's the other variation in this great looking baby blue with the pink roof. And lastly, the Johnny Lightning Import Heat Series. So this is the release of our 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. The first variation here is in blue. Got white wheels. It's got Bridgestone Potenza white letter tires. Some white details along the bottom there. Super cool looking and a great casting for that we haven't done in a while. And then here is the black variation. It's got these awesome looking candy green wheels on it and the white accents with that as well. So that's everything we got for 164th. Next we'll jump in and show you guys 118. Alright, so first off for 118, we've got a really cool new piece here. This is the Auto World 118 scale 4-wheel open car hauler. So this is something different that we haven't made available before. It's a great looking way to display any of your 118 scale cars of really any brand that you wanted. And a great way to accessorize it too. So we actually have made two variations of it. This one has red accents and it's that silver trailer, the rubber tires and everything. And then the other variation here is a black trailer and it's got the chrome accents on top of it. Just super cool looking and a nice way to show off all your custom 118s, especially if you got like a cool race car or something that you want to show, or you want to put a truck up to it. Just a really cool new way to display them. And then next off, jumping into the cars, this is our 1968 Royal Bobcat GTO. So this is part of the class of 68 that we've been doing this year. Some of the cool stuff about this, it does have all those great looking Royal Bobcat features, that black and red paint job on top of it here, black on the hood, black around the roof there, great looking detail. It does have the detailed engine, opening doors and hood. Front wheels are steerable, detailed chassis. It's just a super cool looking one, and we're excited about that Royal Bobcat. And then next up, you guys have seen a lot of our muscle car and Corvette National cars if you've been following the videos. This is the 1970 Buick GS 455. So these are all based on actual cars that were at the Muscle Car and Corvette National show. We were actually at the show last month, so we talked to some of you guys there. And this also has opening doors and hood, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, precise accuracy, and this is based on the Buick here, Melanie Mauser's Buick GS 455. So the car lovingly given the name Sweet Pea. And then next up, we've got the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner, and this is a cool looking one, super bright. This is part of the 50th anniversary of the Plymouth Roadrunner. So this one actually, besides the amazing color on it, does still have the opening doors and hood, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, all that cool stuff. The interior is black with some of that wood trim detailing on it, and it's just a super cool looking car. White letter Goodyear tires, lots of cool stuff on it. It should be a really popular one. And lastly for 118, this is the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. So this is a really cool one. Got those BF Goodrich white letter tires with that bright red paint, red interior, and it is a Trans Am. You have to have that Screaming Chicken on the hood. So just a super cool looking car, limited edition, one of 1,002, like most of our 118 scales. Got the opening door and hood, detailed engine, all that cool stuff. So that's everything we got for 118. Next we'll jump in and show you guys model kits. Alright, so first for model kits, we do got some really cool sci-fi stuff to show you guys. So we'll start with the big one. This is the next variation for our fully decorated, pre-painted, and pre-assembled Space 1999 Eagle. So we have done a variation of this before that had the passenger pod on it. This one is actually a separate decoration. We changed a lot of the details, and this has the red and white rescue pod variation on it. So lots of super cool details. This thing measures nearly 22 inches long, has 850 different pieces in it. It's just a really cool looking kit, and for those of you that want to pick up an Eagle and maybe just want one that you can display that you don't have to put together, that already looks great. I mean, it's a super cool kit and a new tool. I believe it was tooled last year. So again, just an awesome variation for it. And we're super excited about that one. The Space 1999 stuff has been super popular. So next for sci-fi, we also have this new Star Trek Deep Space Nine kit. So this is the USS Rio Grande, the NCC 72452 Runabout. So what's cool about this, this is actually in our 1/72nd scale, so it's a little bit bigger of a kit. Does have a lot of cool decals that we included with it. It measures to 12.5 inches long, just over a foot, and does include that dome display base with it, and a couple other really cool features, the optional sensor clusters, really good precision fit, and it's about a 42-part kit for this one. So that's everything for sci-fi. Jumping into automotive next, we're going to start with this one. This is the 1960 Chevrolet, the custom fleet side. So what's cool about this kit, it actually has two things in it. It includes the pickup truck and the go-kart, so you can build it up in a few different ways, put the go-kart in there, and there's a lot of different features as well. You can see that inline 6 motor, the detailed interior, some versions of the go-kart. And one of my favorite things is there's a lot of cool detail put into the new decal sheet here. So we've expanded on the decal sheet there. You can do a go-kart service truck. You can do kind of a custom rod look. It's just a super cool kit, and these trucks are ever popular. So we're really excited about this one and see what you guys come up with. And then next, this is the Chevrolet police van. So this is another kit that's a little bit different. What's cool about this, we do have some other custom accessories for it. Different tires and wheels. We did expand the decal sheet with this, and it has NYPD markings that come with it too if you want to make a New York police van. We kept this vintage style packaging, and there's also some other variations to this kit too for the inside of it, so you can build it as a police car, an ambulance, and a couple other variation things with it. So it's super cool. There's a look at the parts tree on the back for all you guys. And for those of you with the Chevrolet kit, we'll show that parts tree too. Make sure you can get a look at it. And then next up, this is the 1932 Ford sedan delivery. This is one of our new Coca-Cola kits, MPC kit here. So this is in a 1/25th scale. And what's cool about this, we have gone through and done a lot of different variations of Coca-Cola details, or decals, details, advertising pieces. It's just a super cool looking kit. It's customizable with dual quads, and there's a look at the parts tree on that kit as well. And then lastly, last month we showed you kind of our new weekend wrenching kit. These are more accessory kits. This other variation is called the Tip Top Shop Repair and Maintenance. So this is all 1/25th scale accessories, and this one includes a lot of different stuff. There's a calendar decals for the wall. There's a jack. You can kind of see some of it here. A pop machine, workbench, and a couple figures as well. And then you can use any car you got, any 1/25th scale car, and add it kind of into a nice display. And there's a look at the parts tree on that as well. So that is everything we've got for model kits. Alright, so that's everything we got for December, and that wraps up actually 2018 for round 2. So we want to thank everybody who watches all these videos. We hope you all have a super Merry Christmas, great New Year, and we'll be back in January with more stuff. As always, you can follow us on any of our Facebook pages for Johnny Lightning, Racing Champions, Auto World, Round 2 models, and you can go to round2corp.com. Thanks again, guys. Have a happy holidays.